We continue Unit 4. Next topic is concrete road construction or rigid pavement. Cement concrete road construction is one of the types of low volume road construction. We know that the construction of the road is mostly dependent upon the factor like amount of traffic that is to be handled by the road after its completion. On most of the village roads connecting small villages in the rural areas of the country, the type of vehicular traffic is quite different from the traffic on other highways. The traffic passing on road can be categorized into three categories as light commercial traffic, medium commercial traffic, and heavy commercial traffic. But the frequency of each class traffic varies with road. Materials for concrete cement road construction. The materials for cement concrete road construction may be divided into two parts. These are the mentioned as follows. Selection of basic component of material, design, production of pavement quality concrete, mix required for CC road pavement. Subgrade preparation. Subgrade preparation involves cleaning earthwork like excavation or soil filling, replacement of weak soil, soil stabilization, and compaction. Where the concrete layer is laid directly over the subgrade is the moist at the time concrete is placed. If the subgrade is dry, water could be sprinkled over the surface before laying any concrete course. However, care should be taken so that the soft patches or water pools are not formed at the surface. Construction of base or subbase. A base or subbase to the concrete pavement provides the uniform and reasonably firm support, preventing mud pumping and acts as capillary cutoff. Subbase of concrete pavement could be constituted with brick flat rolling, WBM water-bound macadam, granular aggregates, pressed concrete, slag, stabilized soil, etc. Subbase could be three types with granular materials like brick rolling with one layer of the sand unit, WBM, well-graded granular materials. Next one is stabilized soil. Last one is semi-rigid material like lime bund clay, pozzolana concrete, fly ash concrete, lean cement concrete roller, compacted concrete, etc. Compaction and surface finishing. Concrete is spread evenly and is rolled with suitable equipment such that formation of honeycombing or voids can be avoided at the same time. Over compaction needed to be avoided, which can cause segregation and loss of entrained air. Next one is texturing of CC pavement. Finished concrete has a smooth surface. Texturing of concrete surface is done to impart the skid resistance to the concrete surface. The texturing is done by the means of wire brushing or grooving along the transverse direction. Initial texturing may be done at the time of construction of the paver itself. Final texturing is done no sooner than the concrete surface goes off. Concrete curing. Curing is a process in which requires moisture content and temperature is maintained so that the concrete achieves the desired strength through the hydration of cement. Next one is quality control methods. Quality control ensures the quality of pavements. The studies, responsibilities, tender specifications, standards, codes of practice, and work instruction. Evolve effective acceptance rejection procedures for construction material in coordination with the project purchase department. Do proper sampling and testing of steel, cement, concrete, aggregates, water, etc. And verify test results in view standards and work specification prior to their use in construction. Also control quality of electrodes to their use in building. Set procedures to control quality at the point of storage for raw materials, mixing and placing of concrete. Follow the prescribed curing and deshuttering schedules. Observe procedures to control quality of welded joint of structural steel members. Evolve a system to check quality of workmanship in all construction activities. Keep all revised Indian standards and codes of practice available in QC laboratory and have them handled during discussion with client and consultant. Maintain sequence of construction required under any activity. Discuss quality assurance and quality control issues as a separate agenda during site review meeting with staff. Observe regular schedule for maintenance, repair and calibration of plant and equipments. Keep spare parts, materials for laboratory equipments, weigh batches, batching plant, etc. Always keep spare vibrators ready at site. Carry work inspection cards in pocket while supervising inspecting works. Regular maintenance in formats prescribed under ISO 9002 quality assurance system. Practice sound housekeeping methods to achieve saving, safety and quality. Next one is highway drainage. Its purpose is to drain rainwater from highway into the sewerage system. A highway drain is the pipe connecting the highway gully to the surface water sewer. A soakaway is drainage pit covered by metal cover or sometimes by soil. Its purpose is allowed to rainwater from buildings to permeate into the surrounding subsoil. These are sometimes used to drain in the highway. Highway drainage should fulfill the following objectives: prevent flooding, ponding, and seepage, and keep the carriageway, cycleway, and footway as free of standing water as possible. Ensure the surface of water falling on the highway enters the drainage system or natural water course as speedy as possible. Keep the underlying road structure as dry as possible. Prevent injury or damage caused by hazardous surface water. Prevention highway surface water flooding adjacent properties. Prevent blockages in associated highway drainage system with constitutional flooding. This is the pictorial view of drainage system in highways. Highway drainage is important from various viewpoints. Excessive moisture in soil subgrade causes instability under the road surface. The pavement may fail due to the subgrade failure. In some clay soil, variation in moisture content causes considerable variation in volume of subgrade. This sometimes contributes to pavement failure. The waves and corrosions formed in case of flexible pavements also play an important role of pavement failure. Sustained concrete of water with bituminous pavement causes failure due to stripping bitumen from the aggregates like loosening of some of the bituminous pavement layer and formation of potholes. The prime causes of failures in rigid pavement by mud pumping is due to the presence of water in fine subgrade soil. Well-designed and well-maintained road drainage is important in order to minimize the environmental impact of road runoff on the receiving water environment, ensure the speedy removal of surface water to enhance safety and minimize disruption to the road users, maximize the longevity of the road surface and associated infrastructures. Last topic is highway machineries. Various types of motor vehicles used to in highway construction. First one is motor grader. Motor grader is used to level the surfaces for highway. Next is asphalt mixing plant. This is the bituminous mixing plant. The mixing will be done. It will be transported and placing to the required places. Next one is road roller machine. It's used to compact the bituminous layer. Carvel excavator. It's used to digging and filling. Next one is forklift truck. The truck will be used to the material lift one place to another places. It will be used. Next one is wheel loader. Wheel loader also transport the soil one place to another. It will be used to do digging and filling. Next one is crane. Crane also used the heavy materials to lift one place to other required places. Thank you.